Alright, let's bust one of the biggest myths in tech right now. Kali Linux is not the magical must-have OS for every aspiring hacker or cybersecurity pro. I know. Kali sounds cool, looks edgy, and every other YouTube hacking tutorial seems to use it. But let me tell you why you probably shouldn't jump on that bandwagon, and what you should try instead. First up, Kali Linux is built for professionals. I mean really hardcore. I live in the terminal types. If you're just getting into cybersecurity, Kali is like jumping into the deep end without learning how to swim. It's packed with hundreds of pre-installed tools, most of which you won't even touch unless you're doing specific advanced testing. There's a reason the official Kali docs say it's not meant to be your daily driver. It's not designed for checking email, binging Netflix, or any of the usual stuff. And honestly, running it on your main machine is just asking for trouble. Security risks, broken updates, you name it. Now let's talk about the learning curve. Kali's not user-friendly. If you're used to Windows or Mac, you'll be bouncing between forums and error messages so much you'll wish you'd stuck to Minesweeper. Plus, a lot of the so-called hacking tutorials out there are either outdated, misleading, or flat-out illegal. Trust me, as someone who's wasted hours chasing broken guides, it's not worth the headache or the risk. So, what should you use instead? Here's the smart move. Start with something like Ubuntu or Linux Mint. They're user-friendly, stable, and perfect for learning the basics of Linux. From there, you can manually install the security tools you actually need. Think Wireshark, Nmap, Metasploit, without all the extra clutter. You'll have a safer, more reliable system, and you'll really learn how Linux works, which is way more valuable in the long run. And when you're ready to dive into ethical hacking or penetration testing, spin up a Kali virtual machine. That way, you get all the tools, but in a safe, isolated environment. No risk to your main system. You can break stuff, mess things up, even nuke your VM, and just start over with a fresh snapshot. It's the best of both worlds. Look, I get it. Kali Linux seems like a badge of honor in the IT world, but the real flex isn't running Kali. It's knowing how to use the right tool for the job. Don't get caught up in the hype. Start simple, build your foundation, and level up the smart way. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and let me know in the comments what you're learning next. Thanks for watching. And remember, stay curious but stay safe.